All this high heat and humidity leading to a few thunderstorms popping up, mostly across northern and then western Virginia. We have a batch of storms right down here, maybe just one cell near Emporia, just to the south of that in Greensville County. I think there'll be a few more storms coming from this complex in northern Virginia, sliding southward during the evening. So there is a chance we'll see a few storms passing on by the metro area. As I mentioned, the big story is Hurricane Ida. As we track it, the outer rain band's coming pretty close now to southeastern Louisiana. The center of the storm is about 300 miles from the coast, and hurricane warnings are in effect. We expect rapid intensification overnight tonight, during the day tomorrow, with the potential of at least a Category 4 storm before it makes landfall. Right now it's Cat 2, winds at 105 miles an hour, moving at a pretty good clip through the Gulf of Mexico over some very warm waters. The water here is in the mid to upper 80s, so that will lead to this rapid intensification. You can see a well-defined eye right now. Here's the forecast track, and again, potentially a Category 4 by the time it makes landfall tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow evening. And then as it moves inland, it will weaken rapidly, but it's going to be a big rainmaker for the Gulf Coast and the Tennessee Valley. And notice eventually by Wednesday afternoon, it heads into West Virginia. This will spread moisture over the Blue Ridge into our neighborhood, so we'll be dealing with some decent rain across the region by the middle of the week. Right now, things are pretty quiet outside. Temperature reading at 90 degrees, but it feels like 99 because of the high humidity right now. And overnight, we'll drop into the low and mid 70s on average. A few readings north and west may actually drop into the upper 60s. And highs tomorrow, not quite as hot as today, but still up around 90 degrees in most locations. To the north, we may stay in the upper 80s. If you have plans to head east to the beach tomorrow, it'll be a pretty nice day out at the ocean front, about 88 degrees with a chance for an afternoon storm and a low risk of rip currents. Waves will be about 2 feet right along Virginia Beach tomorrow. Mix of sun and clouds up in the Blue Ridge. Some scattered storms developing in the afternoon with highs there in the mid 80s. Here's our temperature trend for the next week, and notice the change that comes in. This is with the moisture of Ida, and a cold front comes on through, drops our temperatures to near 80 by Thursday and Friday, and more importantly, the humidity is going to drop as well. Watch this little complex may come through during the evening hours tonight, so you might hear a few rumbles of thunder, a few quick downpours, then it's all gone by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, 1 or 2 storms may pop up again during the afternoon and the evening. Notice another little complex going on by. Things are pretty quiet into Monday and even into Tuesday. Just a few scattered storms, but off in the corner of your screen, that's the moisture from Ida, what's left over. And watch how it comes over the Blue Ridge on Wednesday. Looks like the bulk of the heavy rain is going to be to our west and north, but nonetheless, some rain, some thunderstorms Wednesday into early Thursday, and then much drier air comes in by the end of the week. So tonight, maybe a possible storm passing on by during the evening. Otherwise, partly cloudy, warm and muggy overnight, mostly in the low and mid 70s. Tomorrow is similar to today, but not quite as hot, right around 90 degrees, 90, 91, and the humidity thrown in will make it feel more like the mid-90s tomorrow. Same story on Monday. It gets hotter again, though, back to 94 degrees, low 90s on Tuesday. Rain from Ida moves through the area Wednesday into Thursday, but behind that, refreshing air by the end of the week. Temperatures will be closer to 80 during the day, and some locations may get down into the upper 50s at night.